Today we are learn to the names of vegetables, English and Hindi. Lemon mean nimbu. Tomato mean tomatar. Onion mean piyaz. Carrot mean gajar. Broccoli means broccoli. Potato mean aloo. Garlic mean lehsun. Lady's finger mean bindi. Bottle gourd mean lukki. Sweet potato mean sakarkand. Coriander mean dhania. Bitter gourd mean karela. Mushroom mean mushroom. Corn mean makka. Capsicum mean shimla mirch. Chillies mean mirch. Peas mean matar. Cabbage mean patta gobi. Cauliflower mean full gobi. Mint mean pudina. Turnip mean shaljam. Beetroot mean chukandar. Celery mean ajmuda. Eggplant mean bengan. Cluster beans mean gabarfali. Yam means ratalo. Colocasia mean aluki. Spinach mean palak. Squash mean squash. Ginger mean adrak. Pumpkin mean kaddu. Green bean mean hari phali. Radish mean muli. Cucumber mean kheera. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share.